Alright, this is Austin and Dave using their guns to shoot aerosol cans, causing them to explode
with beer
over fire.
Well, actually, now they're trying to
Some of them have worked and some of them have not worked. So we're excited to see how this one pans out.
Mom, we're making a rocket.
Jeremy, please. Whoa!
Well, that one was cool. We'll give Austin the credit for that one.
That
Nice
was a good
shooting,
one.
Austin.
Austin and Dave trying again to cause a huge explosion with paint cans over fire.
So take
1, 2, 3. I think I was supposed to do 3, 2.
Wow.
That's okay.
Watch.
Alright.
Look,
There's
watch.
Dave with the gun.
What's there? Look.
Whoa! Yes, that was good.
The dog's like, I got it!
Look at that smoke cloud in the sky. That's awesome.
Wow, I got like...
Good job, guys.
Let's go see.
It's still flaming.
Mom, like it was
Alright,
really hot.
I'm ready when you guys are. This is like take 5 or 6 or something. Of Austin and Dave using guns to shoot aerosol cans over fire. Ooh.
The puppy? Say hi, guys. Don't kick him. Be nice.
Okay, this is another shot at causing an explosion with an aerosol can and a gun over a fire. Ooh. Oh no. Don't worry, we're prepared. We have a hose.
Wow.
Whoa. Hot, hot. Put the tree out.
Right?
Look at her. You see what the sunglasses are.
Hi, Ariana.
Look at Katie.
Hi. Do you like the fire?
Hey, look at Katie. Oh, I'm sorry, Diva.